Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT2 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So here we have nothing, only the paperwork and the USB cable, charger brick, and unfortunately we have not here any adapters. So if you wanna use the adapter with your device headphones, you should buy the headphones also like the adapter separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.